This is Kayla from 9CI. Thanks for clicking. Today we're going to be talking about Wi-Fi alternatives. Feel free to like and subscribe to our channel. So, if you want to eliminate Wi-Fi radiation in your house and not run long Ethernet cables through the whole thing, there's a simple alternative known as Powerline Ethernet. This particular unit is from D-Link. It's about $60. And you simply plug in the master unit into a power outlet near your Wi-Fi router or your switch. It runs the Ethernet through the power lines in your house. Every house has multiple plugs in every room. So you simply plug the remote into any one of these plugs and plug a short Ethernet cable in as well to either your printer or your laptop. And you have internet. So manufacturers claim to get about 1 to 2 gigabits per second. We found real world to be about 100 to 200 megabits per second, which is still pretty good. So notice that there is no measurable RF aside from what's already in the background. Thanks for sticking with us. Feel free to like and subscribe to our channel. Visit us at www.9ci.ca. Thank you.